How to fix a cartridges missing error on the HP SmartTank 500 and 600 printer series. Fix your HP SmartTank 500 or 600 series printer when the alert light blinks and one or both printhead icons display, or a cartridges missing message displays on the printer control panel. Remove and reinstall the printhead or printheads indicated on the printer control panel. Load paper into the input tray and then fill the ink tanks so they are at least half full. Open the front and printhead access doors and then wait until the carriage is in the center and silent. If you see a red indicator on the carriage, the printhead latch is up. Push the latch down and then try to resume printing. Push down on the printhead latch to release it. If the control panel displays 3 dots or has a blinking printhead above 3 dots, push down on the tricolor printhead and remove it from the printer. Otherwise, remove the black printhead. Remove any plastic tape or orange plugs that might remain on the printhead from the initial setup. Avoid touching the contacts, ink nozzles, and ports. Hold the printhead by its sides and then slide it into the slot until it snaps into place. Repeat this process for the other printhead if indicated on the control panel. Close the printhead latch by pushing it down until it locks into place. Close the doors. An A displays on the control panel and an alignment page prints. On touchscreen models, touch OK. Lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page print side down in the top left corner of the scanner glass and then close the lid. Press the Start Black Copy button or touch scan on touchscreen models to align the printer. An alignment successful message displays. Touch OK. Remove and recycle the alignment page. Try to print a document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Resetting the printer might resolve cartridge missing errors. With the printer powered on, disconnect the power cord. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord and the printer turns on automatically. Try to print a document. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.